Hi folks, this is Nathan again with the ebookreader.com. So I just got done posting this review of the Onyx Boox T68, and I wanted to show some of the individual apps here. So you can use this little scroller wheel to move around if you don't want to use touchscreen, which is kind of cool. For this review, I'm going to show you guys the Comixology app just to give you an idea how comics work on this particular device with the e-ink screen, because obviously this tablet app is designed for tablets and not e-ink, so it's a little bit strange with the whole refresh and the way the whole e-ink screen works. So let me go ahead and show you a book here, or a comic here. Let's go ahead and load one up that I already have downloaded. So this app actually, it kind of works okay. So what it does is it has the guided view going right now. So I turned the animation transitions off, and that does seem to help. We can go ahead and do the guided view. If we double tap here, it'll go into each pane where you can see each pane individually, and then when you hit the screen, it'll tap forward. So there are no page buttons that work with this. The side buttons don't work, and the scroll wheel don't work for scrolling. I mean, turning pages. You actually have to tap the screen to turn pages with this particular app. But as far as the text balloons go, I mean, they are readable. As you will notice, it gets kind of strange. You can see some after images up here with the whole e-ink screen concept. There's some different settings that you can mess with in here. I was kind of messing with them earlier. It seems to be about optimized how it is with the letterboxing at default, but you can change to no letterboxing. Like I said, turn off animated transitions, so that does help a little bit. You can set like different width if you want. But yeah, so with the letterboxing off, it just seems to have a little bit more ghosting because it's a little bit more, it's covering the screen more, as you can see, so it doesn't have the black boxes. But I mean, it does work. It's really kind of dirty though if you look closely, because you're seeing like lots of background noise from time to time. But I mean, it does refresh pretty solidly. Okay, one thing this app isn't good at is the pinch zooming is kind of weird, because obviously with that constant refresh it can be kind of awkward, but at least it's rather smooth. It's smoother than it is with the ebook app anyway. Go back to the guided view. I think that it actually looked better with the letterboxing at default. I don't know if it changed there. So the app does work. It just sort of depends on how you like to read comics. I mean, because as you can see, like the whole menu is still visible right there, and it will stay there for several pages because it doesn't do the full page refresh. I really think Onyx, I don't know if they could come up with some software tweak for this device to like sort of force a full page refresh in certain apps. I think that would kind of help, but I don't know if that's possible or not. But otherwise, I mean, the app does seem to work okay on this device, even though it's not meant for e-ink, and it's actually pretty fast. Guided view, when I double tap, it doesn't always seem to activate, but that time it worked. I mean, the transitions are fast enough. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video right here. I just wanted to show you guys what this looked like, how this app displays comics with this e-ink and only partial refresh, since it doesn't have like a full refresh for this kind of app. I just want to show you guys kind of what that looked like, what the page animations look like. So I mean, it's doable. Obviously it's not optimal, so just sort of depends on your personal preference. And check out the ebookreader.com for some additional info, and thank you for watching.